Good morning and happy Friday. Allergan's all excited now because they just rolled out a brand new product called Volux, which is another hyaluronic acid product, which is similar to the ones we use now. But it's now being indicated for an area for rejuvenation and refreshing along the jawline to refine and be able to reestablish a little more definition along the jawline. Now, I thought I would take the opportunity to talk a little bit about the FDA process so that we know a little bit more about why this is all taking place. Because when a company wants to roll out a product in this manner, they have to show by study that it has both safe, effective, and long-lasting results. And they do that for one specific area. So they do it in a very defined way. When we first went through these back in the late 90s, we actually found out most of those were done in the nasolabial fold, and that's why we used them early there. And as we ended up getting more experience, we started using them in other areas like cheeks, medial folds, chins, other areas, and those are all called off-label use. And although they're off-label, it doesn't mean they're experimental or dangerous. It just means that we're actually exploring other reasons that were outside of what they had done originally, just with that very narrow FDA approval process. The same has been true about the neurotoxins, because when they first came out, they were all in the glabellar area, but now we have since used them in foreheads, crow's feet, mentalis, corners of the mouth, lots of different areas, again, off-label. But then some of the companies, including things like Allergan, have gone back and done the study to say, wait, it's actually safe and effective in the forehead or safe effect in the crow's feet. They've done specific singular studies for just those areas. So we know that those can be done in an off-label manner, and we know that from our own personal experience that they can be very effective for these areas. So the next time you see some of these rollouts and saying, you know what, these are great new products, never treated before, never areas that have ever been addressed in this way, it's a little bit of a marketing issue. Now again, it's expensive, it's arduous for the companies to go through, but in the end, what it allows them to do is to do some direct-to-consumer advertising, and then therefore get these products out in front of the public eye as far as how they could be used. So anyway, so keep that in mind when you're thinking about fillers or neurotoxins, but also keep in mind that we've been doing them in that manner for a long time, and we're very well convinced that these have some great, effective, and long-lasting results.